This is how you can put in the barcodes for any of the audiobooks that I have already downloaded for us. The first thing I did, and I believe I shared it with you, but I will share it with you again right now, is I created a list of all of the books alphabetically, that we own, and then I have titled the author, so that was to help me keep track of the books that I had put into Destiny. Then I gave them all a barcode number. The reason One of Us is Lying is number 1 because that was my test book. Then to add them to your catalog, go to Library Search, add title. Make sure that you use any type because it's an audio, not a book. I'll do All American Boys, because that was my number 2. You'll find the one that has the audio next to it. So when you click on that, yours will just have nothing here. To add the copy, this is where I already had my barcode set up, so I was going to have barcode number 2, and my call number, I put Cloud Library, one word, for all of the call numbers for every single one of the books. That way it is the same, and when kids see it, it'll look exactly the same. I believe I didn't put in a price for any of the books because it isn't necessarily required. Only the starred items are. And then I saved the copy. When I created all of these cataloged items, I started by putting click on the library link below. I left the information they gave us minus the extra hubbub of what school library journals said or any quotes from other people, because a lot of the time they just took what was on the back of the book. And then they have an extra picture down here usually, so I removed that. When you click on this link below, it takes you to the login page, so you can log into your Cloud Library account and are able to either put it on hold or to download it right then. So that brings the students right to the book. If you have any other questions, please let me know.